Does your Ford F150 power seat feel more like a stationary chair? Let's fix that. First things first, safety. Disconnect the car battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Now, let's check the fuses. Find the fuse box under the dashboard. Look for the fuse labeled power seat or seat control. If it's blown, replace it with a new one. Easy, right? Next, let's inspect the seat switch. Sometimes it just gets dirty. Use a can of compressed air to clean around the switch. If that doesn't work, you might need a new switch. Still no luck? Check the seat motor. It's located under the seat. Look for any loose connections and tighten them up. If the motor is faulty, you might need a replacement. Lastly, don't forget the wiring. Look for any damaged or frayed wires under the seat and along the floor. Repair any bad wiring with electrical tape or connectors. If you've tried all these steps and the seat still won't budge, it might be time to visit a professional. But hey, at least now you know what's going on under there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe.